In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in the Overleaf Latex editor to enhance your writing effortlessly. First, you'll need to head over to Overleaf, which is an intuitive online latex editor. This powerful tool allows you to collaborate on academic papers, articles, and any document that benefits from latex's robust typesetting. If you don't already have an Overleaf account, your first step will be to create one. Setting up an account is straightforward and essential for accessing all of Overleaf's features. Once you're on the Overleaf login page, simply enter your email and password. If you're new to Overleaf, take a moment to register. It's an easy process and will unlock a wide universe of latex capabilities for you. After you've logged in, it's time to create a project. You'll find the New Project button in your dashboard. Clicking this will open up options for different kinds of projects you can start. For today, select Blank Project, as this will give us a clean slate to explore the integration with Grammarly. Go ahead and give your new project a name. Naming your project is a good habit as it helps keep your workspace organized, especially if you're juggling multiple assignments or research documents. Once you've named it, click Create, and just like that, you've started your new project. Now, directing your attention to the visual editor is our next move. This is where you'll spend most of your time inputting text and making edits. It's a user-friendly interface that allows for many of the same actions as a conventional word processor, but with the added power of latex's capabilities. To incorporate Grammarly's powerful grammar checking tool, look for the Grammarly icon within the editor's interface. Clicking this icon will activate Grammarly, weaving its functionality seamlessly into the Overleaf environment. From here, Grammarly becomes your assistant, correcting your work as you type or review the document. Grammarly can do more than just correct mistakes. It also offers suggestions to enhance your writing style, ensuring your text is clear and impactful. Moreover, if you find yourself working on extensive pieces of text or drafts, Grammarly can even generate parts of the document for you, streamlining your workflow significantly. And there you have it. Now you know how to harness the power of Grammarly within the Overleaf Latex editor to bolster your writing with precision and ease. This integration can be a game changer for anyone looking to produce polished documents efficiently, blending the beauty of latex with the thoroughness of Grammarly's checks. Happy writing, and remember, clarity and correctness are just a few clicks